Tesla Model 3 alignment problems often manifest as uneven tire wear or pulling to one side. These issues stem from the suspension design. The Model 3 uses a double wishbone front and multi-link rear suspension, which is sensitive to alignment. Recalls have addressed some problems, but uneven wear persists in some cases, especially due to road conditions like potholes. One of the most common signs of alignment problems in the Tesla Model 3 is uneven tire wear. This occurs when tires wear down faster on one side or in specific patterns due to improper alignment angles. Look for specific patterns like feathering, where one side of the tread wears unevenly, or cupping, which creates small dips across the tread surface. These are often caused by camber or toe misalignment. Another symptom is the car pulling to one side, usually left or right, especially at highway speeds. This often results from toe misalignment or negative camber, causing uneven forces on the tires. Steering wheel vibration at high speeds, typically 60 to 70 miles per hour or above, indicates alignment problems. This can be caused by uneven tire contact or balancing issues exacerbated by misalignment. If the steering wheel appears crooked when driving straight, this is a clear sign of toe misalignment. The wheels are not pointing in the correct direction relative to each other. Regular tire inspections are crucial for catching alignment issues early. Check your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles or after hitting curbs, and look for these warning signs in the tread pattern. Tesla provides alignment diagnostics through their mobile app. Use the app to check for issues before they become serious and schedule service if problems are detected. Wheel alignment involves three key angles: camber, toe, and caster. Camber refers to the inward or outward tilt of the tire when viewed from the front. In Tesla Model 3 vehicles, negative camber is common, where the top of the tire tilts inward. This can lead to accelerated wear on the outer shoulder of the tire. Toe is the inward or outward angle of the tires when viewed from above. Toe in means the front of the tires point slightly inward, which provides stability at high speeds. Toe out is the opposite. Misaligned toe can cause the vehicle to pull to one side, especially noticeable in Tesla Model 3 due to its electric power steering. Caster is the angle of the steering axis when viewed from the side. It affects steering stability and the tendency of the wheels to return to center after turning. Proper caster helps maintain straight-line stability. In Tesla Model 3, caster adjustments are part of the alignment process to ensure optimal handling. For Tesla Model 3 vehicles, ideal camber settings are typically negative 1.5 to 2 degrees for the front wheels and negative 2.5 to 3 degrees for the rear. Proper alignment of these three angles ensures even tire wear, stable handling, and optimal vehicle performance. Tesla issued voluntary recalls for 2018-2021 Model 3 vehicles, affecting over 300,000 units. These addressed alignment stability through software and hardware updates at service centers. The updates recalibrate toe and camber angles using Tesla's proprietary alignment tools. This helps reduce pulling and uneven tire wear for better stability. Over-the-air updates now include alignment diagnostics. Owners can check alignment status via the infotainment system without visiting a service center. The process involves notification, download, and installation of updates that improve alignment. Ensure your Model 3 has the latest software for optimal performance. When it comes to wheel alignment on your Tesla Model 3, you might wonder if you can handle it yourself. However, DIY alignment is generally discouraged due to the vehicle's unique design. Professional alignment services use specialized equipment and expertise to ensure accurate adjustments, which are crucial for your Model 3's performance and safety. One major reason DIY alignment is discouraged is the Model 3's aluminum chassis. This lightweight construction is sensitive to improper handling. Attempting adjustments without professional tools can lead to damage or inaccurate results. Another factor is Tesla's proprietary software. The alignment system works with the vehicle's electric power steering and sensors. DIY attempts can't properly calibrate these integrated systems, potentially causing handling issues. Professional alignment requires specialized equipment that most owners don't have access to. Tools like the Hunter Winalign system and John Bean alignment machines provide laser-guided precision for accurate measurements and adjustments. You should seek professional alignment if you notice severe symptoms. This includes your car pulling noticeably to one side while driving at highway speeds or observing uneven tire wear that could indicate alignment issues. Fortunately, Tesla's service network has expanded significantly, with more than 5,000 service centers around the world. This makes it easier to access professional alignment services when needed, often with faster turnaround times. Driving habits significantly impact Tesla Model 3 alignment. Avoid hitting potholes, curbs, and driving aggressively, as these can cause immediate misalignment and uneven tire wear. For tire selection, choose tires optimized for electric vehicles like the Michelin Pilot Sport EV. These tires are designed to handle the unique weight distribution and torque of EVs, reducing wear and improving alignment stability. Regular tire rotations are essential for maintaining alignment. Rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear across all 4 tires. Finally, check tire pressure regularly. Proper inflation ensures optimal road contact, which helps maintain alignment and prevents premature wear. Third-party alignments for Tesla Model 3 typically cost between $200 and $500. This one-time expense is much cheaper than dealing with ongoing tire replacement costs. Uneven tire wear significantly reduces tire lifespan, leading to premature replacement. Tire costs have increased by 20% since 2023, making proper alignment even more important for cost savings. Proper alignments can improve energy efficiency by 5 to 7%, reducing fuel consumption or electricity use in electric vehicles. This translates to real savings at the pump or charging station. Ignoring alignment issues leads to greater long-term expenses, potentially costing over $1,200 in premature tire replacements. Regular alignments can extend tire life by thousands of miles, making them a worthwhile investment. Future trends in Tesla Model 3 alignment point toward increasing adoption of AI-assisted diagnostics. These systems use machine learning to predict alignment issues based on driving data, allowing for proactive maintenance before problems worsen. Tesla's next-generation platforms may include self-aligning suspensions that use sensors and actuators to automatically adjust wheel angles. This innovation could potentially eliminate the need for manual alignments altogether. Future electric vehicles may feature adaptive alignments that automatically adjust for load, such as passengers or cargo, reducing wear and improving handling in various driving conditions. Tesla may expand recall-like programs to cover lifetime alignments for new buyers, mirroring warranties offered by traditional automakers and providing ongoing support throughout vehicle ownership.